Karbi Anglong Angkang Pia Phan Nong Me Kevan Pi Mate Padmashree Award kelong abangphu Dhaneswar Ingti Phan Man Piponsi Arkoi ni Phai Inkora Sir Kebarni Diphu Government College along Karcho Ajai Mek Deng Ponlo Bangso Ajai Megalong DGC English Department atum penche patir Piponsi Dhaneswar Ingti Phan Karcho Ajai Mek Deng Ponlo Bangso Mayalong Phapangjang Alohia Manpen Dhaneswar Ingti Alohia Manpen DGC Principal Taudo Terangpi HOD English Department Machurina Hussein HOD Commerce Department Jugal Bharali HOD Pol Science Bernard Rongphar Lapen Penangan Lothan Bangatum Chetongdun Bangso Mayalong Dhaneswar Ingti pen Mayalong Kachetongdun Lo Kachari Bomari Soe Jangatum Lapen Than Bangatum Aphan Amethang Akaya La Mulapen Kopi Koposon Pensila Bangso Padmashree Award Kachepalong Dun Makwa Puthak Than Pajir Misi DGC along Lo Charlie Bomari Soe Jangatum Aphan Ning Parung Tekan
Along Aphan Isya Indian Kong Anong the Tenai Ang Kang Pinai Anong In Wang Long Lo Naga Nilile Ban Gali Nalatum Alotina Karbi Mithang Karbi Alam Jenghon Apen Mithang Apen Deng Sumpo Apen Mithang Azitang Jubat Kajenghon Alotina Karbi Aphan Sige Bang Lo Nilile Lo Nilile Ben Bang Lo Konsolo Nalatum Le Jong Si Akebat Banang Tuyong Se Akhir Jumenang Ibe Bawe Prote Lahai Ketok Kelang Mata Hektidazi Nala Dum Ning Kang Sam Ning Kang Lapakang Ho Lapa Arnam Angka Dompi Ajoini Si Dum Piniari Ningarong Pen Dum Chetong Long Lo Ada Pini Government College along English Department Head of the Department to me Nili Hemang Lo M Hussein Hussein Head of the Department English Government of the college dah pasal horong ni panang hanglo sini di bangik lo ada ni orang pilo
Halapu HOD English Department Machurina Hussein Ben Perangkia tuma phanang ke pachini duna tengke labangso asai ke deng ponang ko gabangke asam angkang pila pen Karbi Anglong ara phan la puson nong nam ke me kewan pithek bena joksi nilitum Dhaneswar Ingti phan Karcho Ajai Mek deng ponlo pusi ningje
Renowned personality of Karbi Anglong, the recently awarded the Padmashree by the central government, by the President of India. So I knew him from before and I felt so happy, so intensely happy that I went over to meet him personally yesterday to felicitate him. But still I was not satisfied and therefore today he has given us the consent to come here and be with us in this occasion and we are so happy. Our college has become blessed with his presence here.
News Report Karbi Anglong Live